Fudge factory called Uranus, right off of historical Route 66. It's about this really cool rocket. Oh, fire truck.
Magic.
All right.
We go upstairs.
You take me to London?
Sure. Our bus driver died.
Huh?
Our bus driver
He,
died.
he died a long time ago. Oh, wow. This is really cool. Yeah.
What's it look like?
Looks like spookers. Work on them.
Yeah.
Here's the back of the bus. All the cool kids sit in the back.
Do they?
Yeah.
So you're a cool kid? Woo! I'm going down.
I'm going down for real. Who are they?
I don't know. The Uranus pickers. You just want me to say
They'll be
that out
picking
loud.
my anus.
There. Look at that.
This is a real belt buckle?
It's a real one.
How the hell would you put that on your belt?
I don't know. Wow. Pretty cool.
Yeah. Don't look at the chicken.
Hold that.
Huh?
Take my.
They have funnel cakes and stuff like that in here.
Yeah. Uranus Police Department.
Well, you don't want to get locked up in Uranus. It's not good.
Will you make my bail?
Yeah.
I'm not going to tell you what I did.
Oh, it feels pretty good in here, though.
Look.
Yeah.
What am I wanted for?
Something fudge packing.
In Uranus.
Yeah. Check out these rattlers. These baby rattlers.
What?
These baby rattlers. Trained wild animals. The Frog Princess.
Missing a pair of balls.
Check out the Sideshow Museum. The Mayor of Uranus. Test your love today. Is there bathrooms back there?
Yep.
Is there? Be careful going in Uranus. Just saying. Please use other door. That's what she said. Big dreams in Uranus. Here's no tar. This is inside of the chocolate. Where they make the fudge. There's a cool train that goes around. How?
Fishing eagle mask. Jeez.
They have knives. Liquor store. That's a big lure. Oh, you can even get fishing lures and fishing poles. Trespassers beware, cat on duty.
So it was something that just kept popping out. And then when my husband went back into the military and we kind of revamped our life, I didn't have time because the military is the greatest to have a full-time job. So I just did it for friends and
Uranus,
I just went back
brake
to it.
repair. Don't leave skid marks around Uranus. Uranus, Missouri, on historical route 66. Put his fin up or something up there.
Yeah. How's he open?
I don't know.
Like that?
I think it's a mailbox. Yeah, it's a mailbox.
Yeah, it opens. I just can't. It opens like that. Here's that one.
Huh. It's wine. Looks like just winery.
Well, they got moonshine right here.
Moonshine. Hey, hey. Sweet cheeks. Don't be drinking my sweet cheeks.
These beer glasses are pretty cool.
Yeah. Get coffee, cappuccino, fountain drinks. Big piece of poo in Uranus. Imagine gummy bears being that actual size. The calories.
That's a
Look at these pickle suckers.
Oh, I can't try it on.
No. Well, this is a really cool stop up of historical route 66. I've seen some stuff on this, but never thought to come and check it out. I was just driving by, and definitely had to stop.